Find and use a car power adapter. Development of car power adapters has kept pace with the development of portable electronic devices, so the world of car power adapters has grown immensely in just the past decade. Whether you want to charge a printer, palm device, iPod, laptop, phone, or game system, you can find a car power adapter to suit your needs. But they don't all put out the same amount of power and are not all intended for the same kind of device. You have to buy the power adapter either designed for your device or capable of accommodating it. Car power adapters will convert the DC power of your car's cigarette lighter into AC for a number of electronic devices. When you buy power adapters, always read the details of how much power they can provide. Be careful not to stress out your car battery by relying too much on the power adapter. Car power adapters for printers and laptops. Large computer and electronics stores like Fry's Electronics, Circuit City, and CompUSA, online or at your local branch, carry car power adapters made for use with your laptop or printer. You should also visit the website of the printer or laptop manufacturer to check for adapter products they may offer specifically for your device. For example, visit the Apple Store for adapter products designed for Apple laptops. A visit to Hewlett-Packard will help you find car power adapters designed for their mobile printers. If an iPod power adapter is what you seek, check out our articles on iPod power adapters and accessories. Power adapters for game systems, cell phones and PDAs. Visit a large electronics store like Fry's, or check out the website of the game, phone, or PDA manufacturer to find out if they offer appropriate power adapters that provide the necessary charge while in your car. Some of these devices will have to rely on a generic power adapter, which is just fine as long as the power output is large enough. Amazon.com. The inventory at Amazon will constantly amaze you. Enter the kind of car power adapter you need and don't be surprised if Amazon carries a power adapter for your device. Simple Google search. For any of these power adapters, another solid option is to simply search for electronic device car power adapter through Google or Yahoo. If there is not a car power adapter made for your specific kind of device, don't worry. That just means you need to pay extra attention to the product details of whatever generic car power adapter you buy. See what the big electronics stores offer in the way of power adapters and find one whose power capacity most comfortably satisfies the needs of your device. You have many options available, from the most basic power adapter to adapters with multiple outlets, and even power adapters that are sensitive to the current capacity of your car battery to protect it from becoming too drained. The price range of power adapters is as wide as the selection.